Would you like Mummy to do your yoghurt? No. I do it myself now, Mummy. Go on then. Let me put this down there. Clever girl.
Is that nice? Is that tasty? Too busy eating. No time to
His
talk.
favourite thing in the whole world. Yoghurt. Uh-oh. It went on the bottom of the spoon, Pops. Have a look underneath. You've got lots there, look. Oh. It's on the table now. Yogi on the table. Oh. That's a good idea. It might take you a while to pick it up with your fingers, but good job, Poppy. It's funny.
Good girl. Good effort. Back to the spoon.
Problem solved.
It's an unusual method. Oh, we've got to the nice bit at the bottom now. Oh.
No, you're hilarious, Poppy. You're funny.
Are you enjoying that, puppy?
Is it nice?
Mmm.
Would you like Mummy or Daddy to help you get the bit out the bottom?
Go on then. Ready? Just got a little bit on your chin.
She knows what to do to scrape the spoon around the bottom. You're a clever girl.
Are you all done? Is there more in there?
Poppy's favourite present would be a lifetime supply of Petit Falou. You love it, don't you? Yes! You love it.
What's that?
I think that's a washing, Poppy.
Are we all done? Okay. Yeah, you've still got a bit more in the bottom. I see.
Poppy, can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say mummy?
Mommy.
Can you say Poppy?
Puppy.
Yay! Can you say Papa?
Papa.
Can you say Granny?
Daddy.
Granny.
Dada.
Nearly. That's
Dada.
nearly right. Should we do some counting? Are you ready? 1, 2. What's the next one? 3.